You can earn over $2 million in various AI businesses in just 18 months. This demonstrates the potential within the AI field. While this is a top-line revenue figure and not pure profit, it shows the income-generating power of AI, even for those without a degree, specialized AI training, or a privileged background. In this video, we are focusing on 2 key skills that can empower anyone to achieve success with AI, along with 3 specific opportunities for applying these skills. Current state of AI and its impact on the future job market reports on AI's impact indicate that 20 to 25% of jobs could be replaced by AI and automation, which will primarily affect low to middle income workers. This development will erode the middle class and amplify the divide between socioeconomic groups, particularly in regions like the United States. However, while the majority may experience adverse effects, a small group of winners is expected to emerge. To be part of this winning group, a skill set is necessary that thrives in a world increasingly dominated by AI-first businesses. The shift to an AI-first approach. Currently, many businesses treat AI as an add-on, incorporating it peripherally rather than at the core. However, similar to the shift in the early days of the internet and the transition to a mobile-first approach, a shift toward an AI-first approach is underway. Just as mobile-first strategies revolutionized digital business by prioritizing mobile devices over desktops, AI will soon become the core of many businesses' strategies. This shift signifies a new era where scalable AI-driven solutions will play a crucial role in business success. The limitless scalability of AI. The scalability potential of AI positions it as a transformative force in business. As demonstrated by the rapid rise of ChatGPT, AI can replicate and replace human tasks, achieving massive scalability. An AI system can serve millions of users or customers, all without the need for hiring, training, and managing additional employees. Skill hash 1. Building AI systems and solutions. The first essential skill is learning to build AI systems and solutions. Contrary to popular belief, an advanced background in development is unnecessary. Rather, proficiency with low-code to no-code tools and an understanding of prompt engineering can suffice. These skills enable individuals to design and implement the critical AI-driven solutions that businesses increasingly need. Skill hash 2. Content creation as leverage. The second key skill draws on the concept of leverage. As explained by influential entrepreneur Naval Ravikant, leverage allows individuals to amplify the impact of their efforts without proportionally increasing time and resources. Content creation is a particularly potent form of leverage in the AI field. As businesses recognize the importance of an AI-first approach, those who position themselves as thought leaders and share their AI expertise through content will stand out. Platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and blogs provide an avenue for visibility, allowing skilled individuals to showcase AI solutions and attract opportunities. High-leverage opportunity creating and distributing content about AI solutions brings together 3 forms of leverage: code, labor, and content. By developing AI systems, code, replacing or enhancing human roles, labor, and promoting through content, individuals can maximize their influence and potential impact. This approach represents one of the highest leverage strategies in today's world, enabling individuals to efficiently reach a wide audience and attract substantial interest. 3 opportunities for AI-driven success. 1. Establish an AI automation agency. One potential application of the AI skill set is founding an AI automation agency. This involves designing and implementing AI systems for businesses seeking to streamline operations, reduce costs, and scale effectively. 2. Start an AI-first business in any industry. Another approach is to start a business in virtually any industry, but with an AI-first strategy from the outset. Developing AI-driven solutions tailored to a specific field can provide scalability, efficiency, and competitive advantage, often outperforming traditional models. This strategy is particularly valuable in industries with established processes that are ripe for innovation. 3. Partner with existing businesses. To implement AI, partnering with an existing business to help it transition to an AI-first model offers a path to success. The skills and strategies outlined, building AI systems, leveraging content creation, and applying these abilities in high-impact business opportunities equip individuals for success in an increasingly AI-driven economy. By gaining proficiency in AI tools and creating discoverable content, Individuals position themselves to meet the growing demand for AI expertise, transforming them into valuable assets in a rapidly changing world. That wraps up our look at the skills and strategies you need to thrive in an AI-first world. Remember, we're at the start of a huge shift, and with AI advancing rapidly, now is the time to act. Whether you're looking to help businesses automate, build your own AI-first company, or partner with others to modernize their operations, the opportunities are endless. To learn even more about leveraging AI and future-proofing your career, visit www.judymarketing.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on making the most of the AI revolution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.